sound. Press bananas. Continue sounding resilient. Not ever enough race. We monsters have more race than Clover. I don't think they do. Honestly, I think the creator of Undertale Yellow should make another one, like Undertale Blue or Undertale Pink, which is about like the other souls, like kindness or something. Who's that? Oh, no, it's only the black. Let me walk that again. Bro, I swear, I didn't fall. It's not, I didn't have the skin to do that. That's just the game. I'm too good for the game. It's just these type of skill shit. Too good. I did it. I'm too simple. Because I'm just gonna flee. I don't even care. What do you mean? Is that why I can't flee? I'm bravery? Is that why I can't flee? Pew. These two clowns get all the attention. I hate this. I actually hate them. I wish I could skip them. I wish I was in the game. Hate them. Hope they back. I'm gonna find the creator of this game and beat him up until he removes this guy. How do I pull? Bro, I pushed him. Pushing over. Look, my new hands. Vengeance of the Fallen. Oh, Transformer. Vengeance of the Fallen. What is this? Huh? What is this supposed to be? Okay, I get it. What? Come on. I swear. If ever the characters, if that weird girl made this, I will have no. I'll still spare her. I'm not a villain, bro. But I'll still spare her. The freak! Is this supposed to go all the way down? How do I do this? This is the hardest puzzle in all of Undertale. In all of Undertale history, hardest puzzle. Bro, what do you like? What am I supposed to do? The frig! I hate this game. At that point, bro, this is the worst puzzle. Like, am I supposed to fail it? Like, does it want me to fail it? I did it. I'm locked in. Then I'm gonna have to do it 5 more times. Bro, you should definitely play Undertale. You should. It's why it's the best game. No, it's the worst. No. I already did it! 2 tries? Last time it was like 14. Save. Save 20. Howdy. Mom, what's happening? I'm surprised that garden saw you. It wasn't sure more impressive that for certain. Oh yeah, I wouldn't worry if you run into them. Whatever happens, I wish you luck. Still hate you, bro. I still hate you. I'm cooked. I'm human. I'm cooked. Is she a royal guard? No, I think she's a royal guard. Sorry, I didn't know where my head was right there. It seems I have a summer home in La 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 Land these days. You look a bit lost. Are you looking for directions? I'll let you in on a little secret. I'm not actually an information kiosk. I know this place like the back of my wing, though. I don't get lost much at all here anymore. I can get you wherever you want to go. Wait, I'm gonna take a shot in the dark here, but you're a human, right? I knew it. I knew I'd find a human. You must be a human, right? You look just like this guy on this poster I saw once. He had that head just like you, and he was totally human, so like translative property or something like that. Actually, I think he was from space. Are there humans from other space humans? You know what? I'll have plenty of time to ask you questions later. I'm gonna fight her. Is she the pirate? Is she the pirates of this game? Will I fight her sister? Are you ready for some Royal Guard protocol? I'll pour because I memorized it. What the frick is this? The Royal Guard has encountered a human. Prepare to be appreed. Protocol 1. Give a continuous allow your opponent the first attack. Rush. Patiently while it is powered and you can trust the top of the nest. Or I don't think I was supposed to be. I was supposed to be your turn. It's okay. Oh, you're just so flattered that all the time I'll let you go again. But what is this boss battle music? Hey! You tap your wrist impatiently while it looks commentary says the top of the person. Hold on. I don't have a guidebook on me. I'll check what to do if someone doesn't ask me like that. You can just take another turn. Go, okay. Hit me as hard as you can. Molly, ignore. Come on, man. It doesn't look like he's noticed. Okay, I'm really sorry for the long wait. I'm not the best royal guard, you know. But I'm really trying to get better. Last week, I befriended this girl. Oh, really? I think it's your turn. There. I'm royal guard. Speed. So easy. This is gonna get harder, right? I'm scared again. That was a warm-up. Prepare for the Royal Guard Gauntlet. What is this? Royal Guard Gauntlet? So easy. This is easier than Cards and Sense fighting. So this is easier than it's so easy. I'm so bad. I told you scary. And plus if you spare is so easy. Now your doctor fighting stands. You, bro. I'm about to die. That's kind of hard. Oh no, I'm checking one more Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can only make me sad. So freaking that's supposed to be. Come on, get aggressive, I can take it. I swear, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can only make me sad. But I get aggressive, I can take it. I swear, sticks and stones break my bones, but words can only make me sad. Rush. Happiness and peace and love. Aggressive, I can take it. I swear, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can only make me sad. I'll insult you. You call me a weed. That was adorable. I don't even feel insulted. I feel like I've been honored. You put so much hurt into it. You are making this easier. You're like the protocol and all that from the royal guard. Why are you hurting me? I'm your friend. I'm your friend, you don't you know? I don't want to kill you. She killed me. She killed me. Is she gonna bring me back to life? I don't like it. Impressive. Let's try. She's rushing me. Is this your rusher? I didn't know you were a rusher. I thought you were a good one. Oh, Friggy. I'm just probably gonna die. I know it. The worst boss. After I finish this boss, I'll just finish part 3. trying to hit me, or is she like trying to protect me? Well, see, bro, how do I scare her? At this point, like, how do I scare her? Did I scare her? Yeah, I scared her. I scared her, y'all. Scared her. Locked in. Locked in. I'm locked in. I'm locked in. Mom, you part two after this. Like, literally, Mom, you part two. No, not kill, not kill. I don't want to kill. Did I save? There's gonna be a part two. So here's the plan. I'm sorry, I think that I went a little overboard, but you know, this is how we're playing. What is this? So that's an elevator? I don't really. I'm too lazy to read. Yeah. Yeah. I go on this, right? How do I go on? Wait, should we go there? Hotman. Then we shall. Bye. Hello. Now she just majestically flies. So hi. Going on some breeze. Too lazy to leave this song. We are in Hotland. It's the best place. This is my favorite. I gotta skip home. I fell. I forgot I did. Oh, Clover, are you okay? I'll go get help. I got sniped again. I fell and got sniped again, but I forgot her name. Flowery, the not flower. Well, guys, this is gonna be the end of part 2 if I get saved.
Nothing.
Sorry, I'll just. Save. That's gonna be the end of part 2. Well, good one. Bye.